Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox less laggy on iPad. First, close all background apps to free up system resources. Next, ensure your iPad's operating system is fully updated. Finally, check your internet connection speed and stability. A strong Wi-Fi signal, ideally 5 GHz, is crucial for smooth gameplay. These initial steps can make a big difference. Now, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Lowering the graphics quality is a primary step. Try setting it to 1 or 2 bars. Also, reduce the render distance significantly, perhaps to 1/4 of its maximum. Disabling visual effects like shadows and complex textures can greatly reduce the processing load on your iPad, leading to much smoother gameplay and fewer frame drops. Maintaining your iPad is key to consistent performance. Regularly clear Roblox's cache data. This can accumulate quickly and slow things down. Also, free up storage space by deleting apps or files you no longer need. Aim for at least 2 GB of free space. A simple restart of your iPad every day or two can also work wonders, refreshing its memory and improving overall responsiveness. For advanced tips, always use a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection. A 5 GHz network is usually faster than 2.4 GHz. Try to avoid playing when others are heavily using your network, as this can cause significant bandwidth issues. If lag persists, ensure your iPad has at least 20% battery. As a final measure, a factory reset after backing up your data can sometimes resolve deep-seated performance problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.